Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you create an emoji name in Facebook without any update. So for doing that you need install two apps from your Play Store. You can see here I am simply on my Play Store, and from here you have to first search via browser. You can see here via browser. You have to simply search on it via browser. After searching on it via browser, you have to simply download via browser from your Play Store. You can see I have downloaded it from before. Simply I am updating it. After downloading via browser, you have to come back from here, and again you have to go Play Store and you have to search here VPN Indonesia. You can see here VPN Indonesia. You have to simply search on it VPN Indonesia. After searching on VPN Indonesia, you can see here VPN Indonesia. You have to simply download VPN Indonesia. After downloading, you have to click here open. After opening your VPN Indonesia, you have to wait for something time, and then you can see here server option. You have to simply click here server, and you have to scroll down, and then you can see here free server. You have to click here Indonesia Jakarta 1. You have to simply click on it. After clicking, you have to cross it, and then you have to click here connect. You can see option connect. After connected, you can see your VPN have been connected. You have to go back here, and you have to get a JavaScript for changing your name. So I write it in my notepad. I will provide this JavaScript through a link in my description. You will can get it from my description. You can see here this is the JavaScript. You have to write here first your full name. You can see here your full name. You have to cut by name, and then you have to write here your full name, and you have to cut all the thing, and you have to write here your full name. And then you have to go emoji. You can see option emoji. You have to go emoji, and you have to select which emoji you want to provide into your Facebook page. So I am simply selecting from here one of them. You can see I clicked it, and then you have to give here your first name and that last name. Then you have to copy it JavaScript. After copy the JavaScript, you go back from here, and you have to open your VP. You have to open your via browser. You can see here I am simply on my via browser. You can see here via browser. After opening via browser, you have to simply search on it Facebook. Facebook. You can see here Facebook. You have to simply search on it. After searching, you have to log in into your Facebook. You can see I logged in from before. Simply I am opening it. It's taking time for loading. Then you have to click here three dot line. You can see here three dot line. After clicking three dot line, you have to scroll down, and then you can see here option settings. You have to simply click here settings. After clicking settings, you will can see here account status. According to your settings, it can be up here or can be down here. So it's on up here. Simply clicking on it. After clicking, you can see it's loading. After loading, you have to click here profile. Simply I am clicking here profile. You can see. After clicking here profile, you have to click here your name, and then you have to click here your name. After clicking here your name, you can see here account center. You have to simply click here on account center, and then you have to cut it, and then you have to paste the JavaScript, and then you have to click here go. Then you have to click again and cut, and you have to click the JavaScript and then you have to click here go. You have to do it 3 or 4 times same until the option don't come. So I will show the option. You can see that you have to click here go, and then you can see here ignore this side message for a minute. You have to click here ignore, and then you have to click here OK. Then you can see here review says. Before the clicking here review says, you have to simply click here last name, and then you have to click here again on the emoji. You can see here which emoji I have been select. I am simply clicking here, and then you have to click here review says. After clicking review says, your name will be updated and the emoji will be added to your profile. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in the description box. If you have faced any problem, then you can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.